Hi, my name is Debbie Coble, and I've been working at the circulation desk at the library since February, and I really miss the library. I really love reading, and I tend to check out more books than I can read in 21 days. But since the library is closed, we don't have to return the books until April 28th, so hopefully I'll maybe get those read. I'm going to show you introduce you to some digital services that the Mooresville Library has for its patrons while the library is closed. I'm going to share a screen here. If you type in mooresvillelib.org, the library website will come up, and at the top of the screen is a pull-down menu under digitals of all the digital items that are available through the library with your library card. If you don't have a library card, just scan on over and then under Get a Library Card, and you can apply for one online. I'm going to actually show you how to stream movies and TV. There are two apps that are available. It's called Kanopy and Hoopla, and I have downloaded them both to my Kindle on my phone and on my laptop to compare them. And we'll start with Kanopy. You would click on this red button on the right called Get Started, and you type in your library card number and your email address and a password to set up an account with Kanopy, and it's all free through the library. This download menu has what's available through Kanopy. It's all streaming video. The difference between Kanopy and Hoopla is that Kanopy, you do need to be connected to the internet to stream it. With Hoopla, you can download the item to your device. And Hoopla is different also than Kanopy in that it offers music and comics and television shows and audio books and ebooks also. So hopefully you'll be able to make use of these digital services, and I hope to see you soon back at the library.